quiet today. Okay, good morning and welcome to New Inbox. Today we're gonna look at the Kyosho Spada 09, part number 31322. Okay, here we have the box, a white box with it's only a small picture here, Spada 09. That's referred to the engine size. That's 1.5 cc. This is a 1/12 four-wheel drive on-road car, Nitro. Here you can see some information, mostly Japanese, I don't understand. This came out in 2007. Okay, let's open. Okay, inside. Okay. Here we have a little book about Kyosho news. That's a nice one. Wow. Okay, mini C. Okay, wow. Nice. Oh, Contage. Okay, buggies, Nitro buggies, shoppers, planes. What a snow car for fixing alpine ski slopes. Okay, let's look inside here. It's the manual. I don't know what this is. Maybe for whatever. Okay, the antenna. Okay, Spada 09. Okay, let's look at some. Okay, stickers and some quality numbers, quality check or something. No, a registration form. Yeah. Okay, and the Spada stickers, Kyosho Spada. Nice. Okay, where you have to cut the body. Okay, let's look inside. Okay, here you have how to tune the engine for setting the idle. Okay, part numbers, some more Japanese. Okay. Sorry. Plastic bag with some steering parts maybe, or I don't know. Okay, another bag. This is the belts. This is a four-wheel drive, and you have a shaft. And then you have the brakes. Okay, ball bearings, shaft again, and some grease, and a plate, aluminum plate. And this is for the hubs and the hexes for the rear wheel. Okay, servo parts, body mounts, maybe some gears, I don't know. Okay, part number, this is the S. It looks like it looks like screws and nuts and bolts and important things. Okay, here is for the 2-speed gearbox, and not the gearbox, but for the 2-speed. You have to change that yourself on the motor. Okay, here the hubs and another shaft for this is for the front. Okay, some grease. Okay, this is the exhaust pipe. This is the standard one. Okay, here we have the wheels, the tires, foam tires. Really wide ones in the rear. Okay, here we have number 6. Fuel tank, fuel line, air filter, battery box, and some other tubing, and some zip ties. Okay, we'll get this one later. Okay, this is the main chassis, aluminium, nice and shiny. Yeah, looks great. Looks great. At least not plastic, but plastic on a nitro car is maybe not too good. Okay, then we look at this Nitro Engine. Oh, nice. Green cooling top or cooling head. Stereo, the carburetor. Then you see here you have to change for 2 gears. Stereo. This is a nice one. Yeah, Stereo 09. 1.5 cc. I don't know how many horsepowers. Okay. This is the AK12C body. You have 3 different body styles to choose from. Okay, here we have a finished built car, not the same body. This is really nice. See the green cooling head or cooling top. This one has the Kyosho tune pipe. Okay, you see, nice with the aluminium chassis, the fuel tank. Okay, let's look under the body. I put in a servo, not the servo for the carburetor or the engine, but the servo for the steering servo. Okay, here you see that's the silver shaft we see in another bag. Okay, the brakes. Then you see the really nice Kyosho tune pipe. Okay, this is looks great. You need a start box for this, but it's not a pull start. Yeah, this is a really nice little nitro car. Okay, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye bye.